Hello and welcome to Germany. I am in the Agate Bay cutting workshop right now in front of my Stone Master saw, which many of you have been commenting on, that you think it's the coolest saw you've ever seen, and I agree with you. Today I have some Polish agates. They are thunderake agates, so they're not the typical nodular kind of agate I've been cutting in all the other videos I've been shown yet. So these are the first thunderake agates I've ever been cutting on my channel. None of them show any signs of anything. So these will be entirely loaded with surprises, and I'm just hoping for the best. The first one was kind of a little bit disappointing. It only has a little bit red center here and just massive fractures going through. So this will definitely not be worth the polishing cost for me, just because it's quite expensive in Germany to get pieces in this size polished. The second one, I think, turned out actually quite nice. It's like a double center piece with nice orange banding. It also has a few fractures, but I think it's a quite nice piece. And the last one, I think, is the best one, the biggest one as well, and it's got this beautiful botryoidal cavity in the center of the stone. So I think I will not get these two polished and rather sell them very inexpensively to somebody else. But this one I'm thinking to get polished because it has this lovely lavender purple colored botryoidal druzy center, which I think actually looks quite cool. I hope you had as much fun as me for the first time to cut these, and if you enjoyed watching the video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my cutting videos from the Agate Bay cutting workshop in Dresden, Germany. Thanks for watching.